They're not. That's the only reason why their asses come out of here and creep up the way that those two just did. Oh, here he comes. I guess he beeping at us. The only thing I can think of. That's why he popped up the way he did and then slid onto the highway, and that's why that dumbass ain't trying to get nowhere. That's the same guy who did what he did. Why is he always doing that? Anyway, an idiot right here. What does he keep doing to chick? He might take a U-turn and do that shit again. Maybe he's somebody I know. I don't know. He is. I think he might. Oh shit! Look at this idiot still sitting there like that. He about to come over here and beat the horn again. Let's see if he does that shit again. Oh shit, he about to do it again. Look at him still sitting there not doing nothing, fucking like he got something to do right there in that very specific spot. No, he about to do it again. Oh shit. Maybe I know him. That's the only reason why I think that he could be doing that. Oh god. I know he's not. He about to do it again. Look at this idiot still sitting there. Let's go see what he's doing. Let's go see what this is. Loser. Creeping. Know where he's sitting at the stop sign. He got something to do right at the stop. Look at this idiot about to beat the horn again. I guess he gave up. That's why he was beeping the horn like that. Here he comes. Look at this dude. That's why this one's sitting here looking like a gang member and a criminal while he runs shit. And that's why I gotta walk my dogs here, and that's why he creeped in the way he did over there. And now his whole house online. Now he's famous, ladies and gentlemen. I made him famous. Look at the puppy doggy. He had a little flashlight on too. Look at this idiot still sitting here. Not even the police. Just sitting in that random ass spot. Like he owned the Track Supply parking lot. That's how this one's gonna run. This idiot is still. Look, this is him again. What is this dude doing? And look at him. I think he just ordered the spot. Now he's creeping in over there. And that's why the honest guy's over there. Whoop, slinking. Don't know what he want to do. Look how both of them look suspect as hell over here like that. Look at this idiot looking suspect as hell. Look at that idiot looking suspect as hell. Oh my God, if he don't stop with that damn horn. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, he gotta be the funniest one of them all. I wanna meet whoever that is. Look at this dumbass over here. There's another one over here with his lights on right there. That's why he's sitting there with his lights on. That's why the honest guy up here. And that's why this dumbass is still, I don't know why he doing what he doing. What? That shit is hilarious. He's literally going around and taking a left and then beeping the horn and then coming back around and then beeping the horn. Look at this idiot. There's another one over there sitting on the side. I think I already showed you, but I don't know if he turned off his lights or wait there. But he don't live over there because that's a leasing office too. And they park on spots like that. Like I don't know that they don't live over. You gotta be kidding me, this dude. He is about to do it again. Look at this dude. Now let's watch him not doing nothing. Think he run shit. Oh, back up. One of them will fake like they gotta take a right in a minute. Look at this idiot just sitting here. And look out again, this is Trap Supply, everything closed. He's sitting in that random ass spot. Suspect as hell. That's how you know he ain't picking nobody up, but he think he run shit. He probably live over here and think that he run shit. Now here come this dumbass with a horn. He about to come back over here with a horn. Oh, the shit, there you go. Hold on, make sure y'all. Oh, God. What is he doing? Look, he about to do it again. Look at this idiot still sitting over there. Oh, turn the lights off. So he got hot like a bitch. Why he sitting over there like that? Now I want to see this dude clearly. I want to see who the hell this is. I'm gonna go on the light and see who he is. Look at him taking a right-hand turn, sitting in the middle of the street. And that's why he's that's why a lot of them switch lanes like these two right here. This one and this one. They were in the left lane. I want to. Oh my God, this dumbass is is turning around again. And like I told y'all, they highlight gang members and criminals, and that's why my man turned off the lights. Like I don't still know he's sitting in the parking lot, knowing good and damn well his ass ain't doing nothing in that parking lot. Watch out, this dumbass will kill you. Something wrong with him. Oh my God, he about to do it again. They got their asses. Slow as hell together. Not trying to get nowhere. Not trying to do nothing. Driving that damn slow. Most states not gonna live, but they out, you know what I'm saying? Loser. That's that loser that likes to hang out at Burger King, right there, taking a left. That's why he done been over here 6 times. Loser. And loser. Now, I live over here, you know what I mean? Like, that's why I'm like, who the hell is your ass to be wondering why I'm over here when you don't even live over here? Look at it. Look at this dumb ass. He's doing it again. Oh, let's get a close up with this dude. Now here he comes with some blinking lights for no reason. Thank you. Thank you. I guess he thinks that's gonna make me stop, but it ain't. Here he comes. Make him famous, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, that's why idiots sit on the corner. That's why they pop out and now they gotta be around you, but don't know what they want to do. See how he's just sitting here on the left? He can get right on the highway and do anything he want to do. Look at this dumb man just sitting in the stop sign. Oh, now you know how to go. Anyway, here he come again. He is not, yo. I just gave him the thumbs up. Maybe I don't know what the hell he's doing or who the hell that is, but I got a DHL man out that night. Hold up. Hold up. I'm trying to figure out where he going that many times with that damn gas truck. I think I don't know where the other dude went or what the hell that was about, but look at him creeping.